Welcome back to this video. For every WhatsApp business user, consider to watch this video from beginning to end and see important security setting you need to turn on before you start using your WhatsApp business. So let's find out. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your WhatsApp business. So click on here to open up your WhatsApp business. Having opened up your WhatsApp business, next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top right corner right here. Click on that, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on settings. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on privacy right here. That's going to take you right here. Simply scroll down all the way down until you get to advanced. Click on that. Under the advanced right here, by default, you will have all these three buttons here to be disabled. What you need to do is to make sure you turn on one after the other to improve your security level on your WhatsApp business account. So I'm going to click on here to turn on this. So when you turn on this particular one right here, so this protects your account and improve devices performance. WhatsApp will block messages from unknown accounts if they exceed a certain volume. So if you are receiving a consistent spam messages from different various of unknown number, so once it gets to a certain limit, WhatsApp will block the rest of the number that are sending you a spam messages. So make sure you turn on this. Next, turn on this particular button also. So when you turn on this particular button, when you are making calls from your WhatsApp business, whether video call or audio call, WhatsApp is not going to disclose your IP address to the recipient of the call. This is one of the best ways to improve the security and your privacy on your WhatsApp business location. The very last one right here. So make sure you turn on this particular button also. When you turn on this particular button, if anybody send you picture or any links that are associated with spam or malware that can easily hack your WhatsApp account, immediately you click on the link or your images. By turn on this particular button right here, WhatsApp is going to protect you from that, because you will be getting a warning that the particular link you want to click or the images that you want to click is a dangerous link or dangerous image. So that is that. By turning on this particular three button, your WhatsApp business security is going to be more improved and your privacy is going to be more protected. Consider to turn them on right now if you are a WhatsApp business user. For more tutorial about WhatsApp security like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.